Are you a YouTuber? Are you a confused human being like me? Are you somebody to is when you want to start and do your video and everything? That's when you remember that you did not have this one, you did not put this one in place. Like at times you just take your phone and just want to shoot. You didn't even plan the video. Are you somebody like me? I have good news for you. I actually wanted to shoot video and I said, okay, let me change wig so that people not say. So that people not say she afro nìkan ló ní ni, and then so that people don't think it's the same day I shot all the video, so that we shall look different. Mo bá gbé then bí mo ṣe tán gbogbo náà nìyẹn, I realized that the heat no be here. But I like, okay, to actually conquer the heat, I need to tie this thing called hair. Okay, and when I actually tied it, when I did it like this with my big earring, I felt like it would make sense, that kind of thing. Go better. Kinta, you understand? Can you believe that? As big as this house is, ordinary rubber band I don't have. So I have one good news for you people. Can you guess? So in case you are like me, you don't have this thing is something to tie your hair, and you have to shoot video, and people with carry long hair, they try, because me, this is better. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is home girl. I should tell this. Are you watching? And this is fine now. It's fine like this. Oh man, this light, they can't eat when they meet. You'll be here. You can find it here. I need this. I can't even open the window because all this other car. That's it. You see. Bello ma text and mommy. Don't worry. As if it's only them. Their mate is in the house. They are drinking. What could be too much to go bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your own girl. It's fine. I let me hold it and be doing the video. They will not really think it's scoop. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your own girl, Ashetemis. Now, of course, you're watching the Ashetemis. And today's video, we'll be talking about what they find by you. Show what no why. Do you think it's time? Boom, come for what buy. And I just want to be. Well, first of all, for rubber band. Will you give me the rubber band? Guys, I'm looking for rubber band. I don't have rubber band. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? No, I cannot imagine. I am. So here's my rollers for her. She's here. I'm just gonna. I don't know if he's showing up. If he's not showing, you should try to use eyes and just put you. It's actually going to make it look more. I don't know if you guys can see it. Like, I just thought about it like just now. How does it look? Forget I'm using plain combo. So you use anyone that actually enters your hair color, hair, whatever. Understand? Like, and that's it. You don't need to go looking for rubber bands or be confused that there's no rubber band, there's no this, there's no that. Use your hair rollers. You understand? So usually like you do it, go tie it again. That kind of thing. I don't know if you're showing you. Go yeah, show you. So you think I'm not a bit package, but that's another thing. And you using this roller actually is going to like make you look classic. Like instead of using rubber bands, Instead of even using people are see this big girl, whatever, it's conditioned big with. I beg, let me do my video. Hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's like a drop by? Okay. Hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your home girl, Ashitemis. So of course you're watching Keeping Up with Ashitemis of Ashitemis Empire. You know, as usual now, I bring you all and always. Good, am I able to use the camera away? As usual and as always, I actually bring you good tidings. Understand? So in today's video, I'll be talking to you about nothing. I'll be talking to you about nothing. If you like this video you're seeing, if you like it, just make sure you click my subscribe. Like, just subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch my videos. Just because I'm fine. Just because I am beautiful. I'm beautiful. I'm beautiful. Yes, me. I'm beautiful. Oh, I'm beautiful. I'm beautiful, yes me, it's I'm beautiful, yes me. She was calling here, even the name of the song will cut to me. This light is emitting it like literally. Nothing is there, and I've not actually had my parts too. I just want to be happy.